Well, earlier this week, we saw a sobering sight, a long line of cars in Pittsburgh waiting as long as 5 hours to receive emergency supplies from a food bank. It highlighted the grim reality for many people who are part of the low-income community. And WJZ is live. Annie Rose Ramos went to Section 8 housing, where food was being given away today to families in need. That's good to hear, Annie Rose.
Yeah, Denise, there are hundreds of families that live here at this low-income housing community, and some of the families tell us that it's been difficult to find basic things like bread, milk, meat, or eggs at their local grocery store, and they're now saying it's becoming a situation of survival. Outside Douglas Homes Section 8 housing in Baltimore City, Ron Williams is waiting for food.
Money is tight. Bills aren't getting paid.
Reverend Annie Chambers handing donations out every day at noon.
She needs more lunches. Give her 2 more lunches.
The food coming from the Franciscan Center.
We're trying to give food to our people in the community because nobody has come to Douglas Homes to do anything to help us.
This video, shot by residents of Douglas Homes, say these are the empty shelves at their only local grocery store in walking distance.
People don't have any way to get the food.
The COVID-19 pandemic is hitting every community hard, but is presenting new challenges for low-income communities.
I've applied for unemployment, but I haven't received anything at this time.
Maryland lawmakers now demanding the release of data on coronavirus cases by race to address potential disparities. Delegate Nick Mosby writing on Twitter, "Racial health disparities and discrimination have always had adverse outcomes on poorer communities of color. Baltimore's population is 62% black, according to U.S. Census data. The Maryland Food Bank reporting a steep rise in demand for food.
This does help a lot.
Now, Reverend Annie Chambers says they're doing all they can do just to stay alive.
This is survival for us as public housing tenants. This is our survival.
And Ron isn't the only person who has told us that they have lost their job, filed for unemployment, and haven't received any money from the government yet. They all tell us that they don't know where their next meal is coming from. Reporting live from Douglas Homes in East Baltimore, I'm Annie Rose Ramos for WJZ.